Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Smart Tank 210 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and after that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. You can free to go to any web browser. In a search, type HP Smart Tank 210 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name HP Smart Tank 210 software and driver. Open the first link. Open the whatever first link is from the official website. Here we find HP Smart Tank 210 printer and here we find our operating system and bit. But one problem, in a Windows 10 there is no installation software or the full software. There is no full software. That is our problem. For the full software, go to the here, choose a different OS and select Windows. In a version, go to the here and select Windows 10. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 7 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 7 64-bit. I select Windows 7 64-bit. Click on the update. It's refresh your page. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver in a installation software and full basic driver support. Go to the here driver. Go to the driver. Here we find our full driver. Here we find the offline use only. It's not needed any internet connection. Here is our offline use full setup driver for our printer. Click on this download. Here we find the file size. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download of that printer driver or the full software is started at the top, and it's take 1 to 5 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. If our internet speed is very high, then it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be a patient and wait for 1 to 5 minutes to properly download this printer driver on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Wait for few seconds. Our download is almost completed. It's take few seconds to complete download. It's almost completed now. Here we find download is almost completed. It is now completed. Go to downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy and simple. Go to that setup file, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes, wait for a few seconds. It's first unzip our file. Click on the yes. It's first unzip our files and after unzip process is complete, it goes to the next step. Unzip process is started. Here we find unzip or extraction process is started. Wait for a few seconds to extracting this software. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Now unzip process is almost done and after that software is started or the software process is started. First welcome screen and then here we find launches. Click on the yes. First is the welcome screen, easy to start, and after that manual installation is started. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to setup process is done. Okay, here we find two options: get HP easy start, continue with current software. We want to software, so I click on the continue with the current software. Now click on the continue. Here we find two options, yes or no. Click on anywhere, yes or no. I click on the no. Now it's searching for the printer. Make sure attach your printer by USB cable to your PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. It's automatically detect your printer. If it's not detect, then we are going to our next process. Wait for a few seconds. After that, if you want to search by IP, then click it here and search by IP. If using IP connection or Ethernet connection, you can use that also. I click on the continue. Here we find two options, wireless network. If you select wireless network means your Wi-Fi connection. By using Wi-Fi network, it can connect to your printer. By using router, you can also give the print from the mobile or any PC or laptop by this process. Select that and click on the continue and add your wireless network soft PC password and other thing, and it's installed. Okay, next step is USB cable. Attach your USB cable from PC to laptop to your printer and make sure power on your printer and click on the continue. I click on the continue. After that, my USB cable is not connected, so it's asked for the connecting USB cable and power on your printer. After power on your printer, it's automatically detect and install that printer. Click on the next and install that printer. So guys, that is the simple way to install this printer in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.